Hello teacher. Are you looking for an efficient way to print multiple copies of student data with consistent headers? Try printing Google Sheets documents with the same header to save time and keep your data organized. Steps 1. Open the Google Sheets spreadsheet that you want to print. Step 2. Click on View, then freeze to fix the row. Step 3. Select the row or column you want to fix. Step 4. Click on File. Step 6. Click on the Print button to print the spreadsheet with the header row repeated at the top of each page. In many educational settings, teachers need to print multiple copies of student data, such as grades, assignments, or attendance records. This is particularly useful when printing multiple copies of the same document, as it makes it easier to read and understand the data. For more such tech tips from InnerScore that can help teachers like yourself learn new skills, save time, and navigate the digital world, subscribe to our YouTube channel.